Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well, for today guys, I've got a short video, very simple and very good information. Well, I'm on OKX, one of the big exchanges out there, and what I'm gonna do today is tell you how you can send funds from here, from OKX, to any other platform or to another exchange or to a program you are doing. Okay, so this is the very simple steps that you need to take to do this step. Actually, I should have done this, but I totally forgot. I've already got funds here on my OKX account. Then I will try to do another video explaining this step. It's pretty simple also, but on this short video, I'm just going to focus specifically on how to send funds from OKX to some other way, okay, some other platform, all right? Now, down below, guys, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that I have a link for you to join me, if you want to register here with me on OKX, and I will also leave another 2 links for my 2 main businesses that I'm doing right now, which is Mavi Global and Beyond Infinity. So if you want to join them, okay, you can also go to my other videos and learn everything about it. All right, now, so let's go to the video, guys. So this is the main page of OKX. If you want to send funds very easily, here on the bottom you click on assets, and now you are going to withdraw. Okay, you click here on withdraw, and you are going to withdraw your crypto. Okay, so transfer crypto to a wallet, exchange, or OKX address. All right, can be to any of these ways. So you click here, and then in this case, I already have USDT available, so Tether, 153 Tether available. I will click in here, right? Now I need to select on-chain, and now I need to select the network, which is going to be USDT TRC20, right? Then the amount, it's going to be 151. And it's going to come from the funding account. Now I just need to paste in here the wallet, okay, the wallet address. I need to, okay, let me see if I can go, if it's here. Okay, I need to grab the address once again. Okay, just give me here a second. This is the address that I'm using to here. Okay, now I'm going to copy the address, and guys, this is really important in every transaction that you do that is related with cryptocurrencies. All right, it is very important that you check at least the 3-4 first letters and numbers, and the last 3 or 4 at least from your wallet address, so that you don't make a mistake, because if you send these funds incorrectly, I'm sorry, but they are totally lost. So TXH7W, let's check, TXH7W, and the end UCRNA, and let's check. Okay, so it disappeared. UCRNA. So it's everything good. Now all you need is click here on the bottom to submit. Now you click on submit. Okay, USDT. Now I'm just going to go back, check again. Okay, USDT TRC20 151, which is the amount that I need to send, comes from the funding account and your wallet address. Okay, click on submit, and now there's a potential risk warning. So guys, go through this if you want, and if you want to pause the video, be cautious of fraud and stuff like that. And you need to tick on this little box and then click on continue. and check if the withdrawal network matches with the depositing platform. Make sure all information before is correct. Okay, let me see. So TXH7W, UCRNA 151, USDT TRC20. So this is just another step to make sure that everything is in order. Network fee is going to be 1 USDT. The amount received is going to be 150. And now I need to send a code. I need to send the code to my email and also phone authentication. Okay, I'm going to send to my email and then also to the phone. And only after this is you insert these codes, you will be able to. So the code for my phone is already here. So I'm gonna try to 84 66 84 66 74 84 so 84, sorry guys, 84 66 74 84 60 66 74, and now I need to go to my email and grab that code so that I can verify the withdrawal. Okay, so this is going to be my withdrawal code, TXH7 UCRNA, and this is the code. So I'm going to just to copy the code and I'm going to paste it in here. All right, and here it is. And now all you need to do is click on confirm and request submitted. View withdrawal details to check the status of your withdrawal. Okay, so you can go to assets, and if you want you can view the withdrawal details. Okay, either way. So this is going to take maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes depending, but usually it's pretty fast on the Tron network. So the TRC20, it's from the Tron network, right? And guys, I believe that this is very good information for people that want to use OKX as another means of transfer your funds to other places. All right, guys, I appreciate all of you. Don't forget down below that I will leave those links for you to join under me. Thank you so much. Don't forget always to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on notifications. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you on the next one.